This video is about the phrase wo es langgeht. This is a beautiful phrase that you can attach to a sentence when you're talking about two things. It's either literally where you're going or where the direction is or which way it is, but also metaphorically what path is being taken, what decision is being taken, who calls the shots. And literally it means where it goes along. And it's often combined with phrases to do with knowledge. So verbs like wissen, to know. So let's look at some examples. Weißt du, wo es lang geht? Do you know which way to go? In this example, we have a question, weißt du, do you know? And then a second clause, which is a question in an indirect form, in a non-question actually. That's why the verb is going to the end here. And this question can be asked in many different situations when you just want to know where to go. Second example, hier bestimme ich, wo es lang geht. Here, I'm the one who calls the shots. Here, I decide which way to go. And so you can tell that this one is more metaphorical, and we have our verb in second position in the sentence. That's because the word here, the adverb, is in first position, and we just attach this phrase to the end of the sentence. Bestimmen means to determine. And one familiar word that you might know that looks similar is bestimmt, which means certainly or definitely. And the third example, ich brauche jemanden, der mir zeigen kann, wo es lang geht. I need someone to tell me which way to go. So this one's a bit of a longer sentence, and you can see in the wo es lang geht, we've got a contraction here with the apostrophe. The wo and the es can be contracted. You can get rid of that e. The e in es often can be contracted. And we've got quite simply, I need someone in the accusative case because the someone is not doing anything. And then this middle section here is what's called a relative clause. You're saying someone who can show me. And in a relative clause, the verb's going to go to the end of the sentence. So who can show me? And then we have another secondary, subsidiary clause at the end, which way to go. And this example shows that phrase is often used in the context of introducing people to new ideas or new ways of working, new workplaces, etc.